I just want to say, "Dhat pagle rulayega kya?" Hi guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Biswas Timshina, and I am a writer, stand-up comic, and a YouTuber. And today I am here to represent stupidity. Yes, you heard me right, stupidity. There are two reasons why I want to talk about stupidity. The first reason is that I enjoy saying the word stupidity. It's fun, like stupidity. Yeah. And the other reason is that for so long we have looked down upon stupidity, like termed it stupid. But you should remember the great saying, stupidity is the mother of all invention. Or was it necessity? I don't know. That was stupid of me. My point is, being stupid is so beautiful. It's amazing. It is. If you Google the term stupidity, what you'll get in return is murkhata or nasamji. I don't know why I got a Hindi reply to an English word, but my point is there's a negative connotation to the word attached. Everywhere you go, stupidity has a negative thing attached. But not with me. For me, stupidity is beautiful. It's like a flower that blossoms in my garden. Stupidity. I was in class 5. I was up on the stage. I was singing a song. Mediocre voice, but I was singing. I was singing it from my heart, which means I was making a very weird face. Because I was singing from my heart. And then I heard someone from the audience say, "Look at that guy, he looks so stupid." And so I stopped singing. I stopped. I also loved taking part in Kavi Sammelans, school tira. And what I did was, I loved to do Hindi shairis. I didn't understand any of it, but it was fun. ये लड़कियां अपने हुस्न पर नाज करती है, गिरा के बाल गालों में हमको बर्बाद करती है. वाह वाह. I used to do that. And the thing is, I used to do that with a lot of showmanship. I used to wear a bright golden colored sherwani that my father had bought from Delhi. And then one day I heard someone say, "Look at that guy, he looks so stupid." So I stopped doing that as well. And then came the teenage years, when it's all about looking cool. And so I had to stop doing stupid things. So I started doing cool things. And you know what cool people do? They sit in the corner with their eyebrows raised and they judge other stupid people. That's what I did. I sat in the corner, my eyebrows raised, and I was like, that guy's stupid. Because he's doing something that he loves, wearing something that he loves. So he's stupid. And so that's how I think my whole school year went by. I was cool. But the thing about stupidity is that the more you try to push it down, it always finds a way out. And trust me, I am not a cool guy at all. It doesn't come naturally to me. So I was trying to push my stupidity down, but it found a way to come out. I did something very stupid. I did engineering. No, wait. That's not the stupid part. No, that's not. That's the smart part. Smart people do smart things. I did engineering. Smart people have a plan. I also had a plan. Engineering, government job, government gadi, government ghar, government wife. Sorry, not government wife. So there was a plan. But while doing engineering, I did something stupid. I was like, I don't want to be an engineer anymore. I want to be a writer. I want to be a storyteller. Now that was stupid. Because I hadn't written anything ever in my life. I hadn't read anything during my school days because I was busy being cool. Now that was stupid. Like, how can I convince my parents that I don't want to continue engineering? I want to do something else. I can't just approach. I can't be like, Dad, I want to be a writer. And he would be like, no. As simple as that. So now I had to make a plan, a stupid plan. I had to make a portfolio, like a pitch. I had to pitch my stupidity to my father and my mother. So like we do when we have to take a loan from a bank, we have to prepare a document. I also started doing that. I started writing. I started putting my write-ups on different platforms, getting rejected, again putting it, getting rejected. And finally, one day, my short story got published with Penguin. Okay, and I was like, I think this is a good enough pitch for my father and my mother. So I went up to my father and my mother. I was like, here's my portfolio. I want to become a writer. I know you have invested lakhs in engineering, but I know at that point my father thought, wow, my son is stupid. But the amazing thing about my parents, or rather my family, is that we are all stupid. Just a bunch of people doing stupid things in our household, and I think that worked, right? I had a portfolio, even he was stupid, okay, and so he was like, okay, fine, do whatever you want. And I think that stupidity at this point of time is paying off a little. There's still a long way to go. So here are my 2 cents, okay, one for parents and one for kids. I don't want to be someone who's preaching or anything, but it's just like something that I thought about. So when parents, like, first to the parents, like if you see your kids doodling something or making a sketch that makes no sense, and from the inside you're saying that's stupid, don't say anything at that point. Give that stupidity a chance. Give that stupidity some time. If your son is mumbling something instead of singing it, and you know that you have to sing a song for it to be a song, you know that what he's doing is stupid. But just give that stupidity a chance. Give it some time. Because the thing is, to get to the point of genius, to get to the road where you reach a point of genius, you have to take a car from the platform that is called stupidity. Without stupidity, I don't think there'll be a genius. So yeah, give your kids some time. Aram se. There's no hatar. I think it's not do din ki zindagani. It's a little longer. And for kids, give your parents a chance to understand what you are doing. You might want to beatbox. And you might tell your father or mother that I want to beatbox. And their first reaction will be, why are you straining your throat when an instrument can do the same thing? So make a pitch, a portfolio. You can't expect them to understand everything because they are from a different generation. We are from different generation. They have seen different things. We have seen different things. So it's important that we make a pitch, a portfolio. And then we are like, now it's up to you. Please understand. Because at the end of the day, we are both playing for the same team, right? So those are my 2 cents. So next time, when you're doing something and someone says, hey, what you're doing is stupid, just look at them, smile, and say thanks. That's what I was aiming for. Thank you guys. You guys have been a lovely audience. My name is Viswas Timshina.